Hello aspirants, welcome to Road to IPM. Now we know that this is a very stressful time. Boards are on your heads and then you have to manage it with your entrance preparation. Trust me, we've all been there. And therefore we have yet another video that will talk more about or give you more clarity about your application process. Because this is the most common question that we get from all aspirants. And which are the popular colleges and are they applying or are they giving IPM course? So hence here we are with Nirma University's IPM program.
Before we begin, let's have a word from our sponsor. This video is sponsored by Unacademy. Unacademy offers live classes on various competitive exams including IPMAT, DUJAT, NPAT and various other BBA exams. About 2 weeks before, they started their comprehensive 1 year and 2 year live batches. This course includes live interaction sessions with experienced faculty, recorded lectures so that just in case you miss a lecture or you want to watch the lecture again, you can do that unlimited number of times. They also have doubt clearing sessions, daily sectional tests and tons of full length mocks. They also offer free sectional tests on their website every day at 4:30 p.m. So if you are an IPM aspirant, I think you should definitely give them. It will be a very good practice for you. They also have a YouTube channel where they post academic content regarding IPM. Recently, they started a Telegram channel as well where they post regular updates about IPM along with tests and quizzes. Lastly, you can also check out their paid course on their website. The link is in the description box. You should definitely use the code RTI10 and get a 10% discount on your total cost. They have various plans ranging from 1 month to 24 months, so make sure you have a look at it once. Now, let's continue with the video.
So first, there are some basic facts about Nirma University that we would like you to know. The first is that Nirma University was established in 2003. So let's get the establishment part clear. So the second is, of course, it offers you the 5-year integrated program in management, that is BBA plus MBA program. Also the seat intake. It has 216 seats that it offers to the candidates. Eligibility, very important. All streams are eligible to apply to this university. So if you are a science student, commerce student or humanities student, do not hesitate to apply to this university. And lastly, it accepts IPMAT Indore's exam as its own entrance exam. So you have to give only IPMAT Indore's exam and apply to this university to get into it. Now coming to about the course structure, because another important point, because personally I did not know when applying to the colleges what will I be taught. So here are some of the basic facts about the course structure of the Nirma University. It follows a trimester program or trimester system. So what is a trimester system? Basically, your year will be divided into 3 terms and each term will have a different subject. So this is the trimester system. Secondly, mandatory social internship at the end of the first year. Coming to the next, mandatory corporate internships at the end of the next 2 years. So in total, you will have 3 internships, 1 social internship at the end of first year and 2 corporate internships at the end of the second and the third year respectively. And this is all about the BBA phase. The last 2 years are the MBA phase. So in the last 2 years, the curriculum will be the same as the university follows for its MBA program. So there will be no deviation from that. So this is all about the course structure. Next, on this slide, if you can see, we have divided or we have shown you the course, the subjects as per different terms in different years. So if you particularly see the course structure in different terms, you will see a balance of all the subjects. I mean, they have taken equal subjects proportionately from science, commerce, and humanities. So this gives a balanced approach to a student and helps him or her in their holistic development. That's what makes this course structure really special, because if we see properly, in term 1 we are being taught language skills in English, principles of microeconomics, along with modern history, art and culture. We see a balanced approach here, taken from all the 3 streams. Similarly, in term 2, financial accounting with mathematics, industry readiness, art and culture. In term 3, we see the same pattern of grade books, art and culture module 3, logical and critical thinking, Indian polity and constitution. Now jumping to the second year, term 4, 5 and 6. In term 4, we see subjects such as brain and behavior, cost accounting, financial management. In term 5, there is ethics and values, Indian society, industry readiness. And in term 6, human resource management, operation management. Here in term 6, we see quite a few subjects that talk about specialization. For example, human resource management and operation management, which are some of the subjects that are taught at the MBA level. Now coming to the third year, term 7, 8 and 9, we have introduction to entrepreneurship, employee relations, foreign language, enrichment course. Term 8, startup creativity and innovation, principles of research methodology, rural immersion. Term 9, introduction to artificial intelligence, governance and ethics, industry readiness, module 9. So I mean, in a nutshell, the course structure is a very balanced course structure. So aspirants do not worry about that. If I am from a science background or if I am from a humanities background, how will I manage in this course? Because the course takes the subjects from all the streams, so you don't have to worry about it. So this was all about the course structure, busting the myths and telling you what you would be studying for your next 3+2 years there. Another important question that we get is, what is the fees? So here is the fee structure there. So for the BBA phase, the tuition fee is 2,53,000 per annum. The activity fees is 10,000 per annum and examination fees is 7,000 per annum. So this is the fee structure for the BBA phase. Coming to the next 2 years, that is the MBA phase, we have the same fee structure that the institute follows for its MBA program. So now students ask that, is scholarship provided? Yes, scholarship is provided by Nirma University. So if any student is facing any financial issue, you can apply for a scholarship, and the eligibility criteria, you can check it on Nirma University's website. So this is all about the fee structure. Now coming to the selection procedure. I mean, I am interested in this university. How will I get in? So you will get through Nirma University in just these 3 steps. The first would be your IPMAT Indoors exam. That accounts for 50% of the selection procedure weightage. The second is your personal interview that has a weightage of about 30%. And the third is your 12th class board marks, which accounts for 20%. So dear aspirants, do look out for it. I mean, you see that all these 3 weightages are in front of you. So hence right now you cannot neglect, and at this point you have to manage your board as well as your entrance preparation. You cannot neglect either of them, because both account for the selection procedure. So this is all about the selection criteria of getting into the Nirma University. Next, placements. Will I get a good job? Will I get a good position? So here are the placement records that we have taken from Nirma University's website. So if we look closely from MBA 2019 to MBA 2021, almost 100% students are being placed. Only one exception is in 2020, where 95% students were placed because it was a COVID year, unprecedented times. So only there we saw a 95% students placement record. But otherwise, from the past 3 years, we are seeing almost 100% students placement records. Moreover, if we see the median package, in 2021, the recent statistics point out that the median package is around 9.5 lakhs per annum. The average package is 9.25 lakhs per annum, and the highest package is 18 lakhs per annum. In 2020, of course, we see a drop. The median package is 8.7 lakhs per annum. The average package is 9 lakhs per annum, and the highest package is 12.33 lakhs per annum. In 2019, median package again 9 lakhs per annum. Average package is 8.70 lakhs per annum, and the highest package is 19.1 lakhs per annum. So this is to give you a rough idea about the pay you can expect out from the MBA course at Nirma University, and this is to calm your mind that whether you'll be getting good or satisfactory jobs or not. So this is all about the placements of Nirma University. Now we come to $1 million question. Is IPM at Nirma worth it? I mean, if you see it from our perspective, so basically it's not bad to apply for. It means it's a good university and it won't do you any harm, if you apply for it. Because firstly, if you get through, it would create more opportunities for backup. So you will get backup opportunities, and then you could explore, if you want to go in this college or that college. Because right now we are not in a position to choose. We need to create more opportunities for ourselves. Hence, this course or applying to this university would create opportunities. Secondly, if you do not want to go into it, you can take the selection procedure as a mock. I personally remember that I had applied to many of the universities that I even did not want to go into, just because the selection procedure would give me a learning curve, would give me experience, so that when I go for an interview in my dream college, I could actually, crack it, because I would have sufficient experience, sufficient training. Because do recognize this fact that trained professors of these institutes will be interviewing you. So of course, you will be getting an experience. So applying to Nirma would not be a bad option, because A, you'll be creating backup, B, you'll be getting significant experience, a mock selection procedure. So this is from our side. I hope that we've made your journey a little more simpler, and we would have given you a little clarity over the Nirma University's program, keeping all the statistics and the course structure, selection procedure in front of you. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for staying tuned in. We'll see you in the next video. Until the next time we see you, all the best for your preparation, dear aspirant. You can do it. Thank you so much.